We're working on course 11. We got to the window, gonna tamp it down, call it good. It's a good day's progress for after school. Hopefully we can keep up. Knock a couple courses out this weekend. That's what Carla says.
This is what it looks like on the inside. Let's come around. It's day 17 of bagging, and we started work on course number 12. This morning we came out and finished up 11 going this way, and then we started 12 going that way and got back to the window. We'll try and finish it out tomorrow on Sunday. We got this here a couple courses ago from my dad. It's supposed to be stairs up to a trailer, but we've been using it as scaffolding. It'll work for probably another 4 or 5 courses, maybe 4 courses. Hopefully up to loft level, and then we can just start using the loft. Alright, it's day 18 of bagging. We finished up the 12th course. Tom's just finished tamping it. Doing the video from the car because it's a little breezy outside. It got so windy earlier that we had to leave. Come back and tamp it down later when it wasn't so windy. We put black plastic up on the walls. They've got 1,600 hours, which is about 200 days that they can be in the sun, but we wanted to go ahead and cover them up just so they can be in the best condition possible when we cover them up. It's getting pretty high up there.